Grab a cutting board to make this seasonal decorative piece. I'm using my Cricut to create a stencil. Now that I've cut the stencil out, I need to weed out all the places. And now I want to put this stencil onto the cutting board. The easiest way to do that is with a piece of transfer tape. I am going to show you how to burn wood without using a laser engraver. We are using something called scorch paste. This is a chemical compound that we're going to put on the stencil, and when we heat it up, it burns the wood. Now that I have everything covered, I'm going to let this dry for about 10 minutes. Once it's dry and set, we can see the wood has turned darker. In order to burn the scorch paste onto the wood, you need a heat gun. A craft heat gun does not get hot enough. You want something that's about 1,000 watts or more. I'm going to keep moving this gun back and forth so I don't overburn any one spot. And you'll see right away that it starts to turn black and charred. After it has cooled down, I can take a dry paper towel and just gently brush off any of the extra charring that's on there. There's usually not a lot, but if there is, you can just wipe it off. Now I want to add a little bit of something extra to this, so I'm putting on a piece of painter's tape and I'm going to paint the bottom white. Once that's dry, I am going to add this pretty napkin. I am painting Mod Podge over the white paint and then placing the napkin on top of that and just gently rubbing out any wrinkles. Now I can just tear off the extra pieces of napkin. You can use a craft knife or a scissors to cut this off, or you can use a lighter and just light the edges and it's going to burn all the way around without getting to your cutting board. After this is dry, I am going to add one more coat of Mod Podge to seal in that napkin. And then to seal the cutting board, we're going to use some cutting board oil. With the decoupage on here, this is really a decorative piece. It's not meant to be used for cutting, but adding this cutting board oil is going to give it a really rich, deep finish. So that is a custom wood-burned cutting board. We did it with scorch paste. You can do this at home. Just grab a cutting board and those few simple supplies to make your own.